Welcome to Not All Wood Turning. Today's turning is a piece of driftwood. Actually, 4 pieces of driftwood. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 pieces were found on a beach in Lake Ontario a couple of years ago. They were part of a much larger log, which is these pieces here. I'm going to work on those a little bit later. However, today I'm going to cut a tenon on one side so I can hold them with my jaws to start to shape them. And let's see what they'll become. One thing I learned the first time doing driftwood pieces, well, was not to expect sharp edges, not to expect really clean cuts. Rely a little bit more on your sandpaper. So on this piece, I started with 80 grit, which almost worked like a cutting tool in finishing off this surface here. The other thing, I used shellac the first few times, and since then I have found other wood turners who use poly, a little bit more of a watered down solution, feeling that it does two things. It dries quicker, it seals nicely, thereby allowing you to put more coats on. And it also, if you water it down, like I did on this case, this solution, it soaks in a little bit better, which I found in a couple other pieces I've experimented with before this. Just don't want to get down in that hole, however. So I think that might be all the finish for now. So I'll turn this to a nice slow speed so it doesn't pool on one side or the other. And I'll take the pipe cleaner to help seal down in there.